Ever wondered if your posture could use a little improvement? Or perhaps you're looking to strengthen your core and align your body? As we navigate through our day-to-day activities, maintaining good posture can sometimes fall by the wayside. But what if I told you that there's a way to not only improve your posture, but also boost your overall well-being? Yes, you've guessed it right. It's yoga. Yoga is a holistic approach that can help enhance body alignment, strengthen core muscles, and foster mindfulness. It's not about twisting your body into complicated pretzel shapes. Rather, it's about realigning and reconnecting with your body. By practicing yoga regularly, you can gradually improve your posture, decrease back pain, and even enhance your mood. So whether you're a seasoned yogi or a beginner, these step-by-step instructions will guide you through poses that can help you stand taller and feel stronger. Stay tuned as we delve into specific yoga poses designed to strengthen your body and improve your posture. Before we dive into the poses, take a moment to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below. Your engagement means a lot to us, and it helps grow our community. Plus, it's a simple way for you to show your support. Don't forget to check the description below for some super deals on yoga essentials. Everything you need to deepen your practice. Now that you've done that, prepare your yoga mat and let's get started. First, we begin with Tasana, also known as the mountain pose. This foundational pose is the starting point for many other yoga positions, and it's a fantastic way to improve your posture and body alignment. To perform Tasana, start by standing tall, your feet hip-width apart and your arms by your sides. Feel the ground beneath your feet and distribute your weight evenly. Your toes should be spread wide, grounding you like the roots of a mountain. Next, engage your leg muscles without hardening your lower belly. Picture the energy of the earth rising through your feet, firming your legs and lifting your kneecaps. Your thighs should be rotated slightly inwards, creating a slight tension in your hips. Now lengthen your spine and lift your chest. Imagine a string attached to the top of your head, pulling you upwards. Your shoulders should be relaxed, not hunched, and your shoulder blades should be firm against your back. Then, with your palms facing forward, extend your arms along your body. Keep them active, as if you're reaching for something. This helps to open your chest and encourage deep, full breaths. As you stand in Tasana, visualize yourself as a mountain steady, strong, and unshakable. This pose encourages you to stand tall and confident, improving your posture and overall body alignment. The benefits of Tasana are numerous. It strengthens your thighs, knees, and ankles, improves posture, reduces flat feet, and can even alleviate sciatica. Plus, by grounding you and encouraging deep, mindful breathing, it can also help to relieve stress and improve focus. Now close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Hold the pose and exhale slowly, letting your body relax into the position. Continue this mindful breathing as you hold the pose. Remember, it's not about how long you can hold the pose, but about maintaining correct alignment and breathing deeply. So even if you can only hold it for a few seconds at first, that's completely fine. With practice, you'll be able to hold it for longer. Remember to breathe deeply and hold the pose for a few seconds. Next, we transition into the Warrior 2 pose, or Virabhadrasana 2. This is an empowering pose that not only strengthens your legs and core, but also improves balance and posture. So let's get into it. First, stand tall in Tasana, the mountain pose. Now step your feet wide apart, about legs length. Turn your right foot out 90 degrees and your left foot slightly inwards. Align your right heel with the center of your left foot. This is the foundation of your warrior pose. Now raise your arms parallel to the floor, reaching out actively to either side. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your chest open. This is not just a physical stretch. It's also about expanding your presence and awareness. As you exhale, bend your right knee over the right ankle so that the shin is perpendicular to the floor. If possible, bring the right thigh parallel to the floor, but don't push yourself too hard. Yoga is not about straining, but about finding balance and harmony. Turn your head to the right and look out over the fingers of your right hand. Keep your torso and hips facing forward and your shoulders directly over your pelvis. This pose is engaging your legs, your core, your back, and your arms, making it a full-body strengthening pose. Hold this pose for 5 to 10 breaths. Feel the strength in your legs and core as you maintain the posture. Breathe deeply and evenly, maintaining your focus. To come out of the pose, inhale as you press your right foot into the floor and straighten your right leg. Lower your arms and step your feet together back into Tasana. Repeat the pose on the other side. turning your left foot out and bending your left knee. Virabhadrasana II is a powerful pose for building strength, stamina, and concentration. It stretches the chest and shoulders, stimulates the abdominal organs, and can also help relieve backaches. Feel the strength in your legs and core as you hold this pose. Remember, yoga is a journey, not a destination. Keep practicing, and you'll continue to grow stronger and more balanced. Finally, we'll move into the relaxing child's pose, or Balisana. This is an incredibly soothing pose that allows us to release tension in the back, neck, and shoulders, thereby improving our posture in the process. To begin, sit comfortably on your heels. If this is uncomfortable, feel free to place a blanket or a bolster between your calves and thighs for added support. Once you're settled, take a deep breath in and, as you exhale, hinge forward from your hips, extending your torso over your thighs. Reach your arms forward, palms facing down, while your forehead gently rests on the mat. If the stretch feels too intense, you can also opt to rest your arms along the sides of your body, with your palms facing up. The key here is to find a position that allows you to fully relax and surrender to the pose. As you settle into Balasana, feel the gentle stretch in your back and shoulders. This pose is particularly beneficial for releasing tension in these areas, which is crucial for maintaining a good posture. Too often, we carry stress in our upper body, which can lead to a hunched posture. By practicing child's pose regularly, we can help to counteract this tendency. While in this pose, focus on your breath. Each inhale expands your back. Each exhale allows you to sink deeper into the pose. Let your belly press against your thighs with each breath, creating a soothing rhythm that calms your mind and body. Remember, the beauty of Balasana lies in its simplicity and its capacity for deep relaxation. It's a chance to turn inward, to take a pause from the busyness of life, and to simply be present in the moment. As you get ready to come out of the pose, do so gently. Use your hands to press yourself up to a seated position, moving slowly to maintain the sense of calm and relaxation you've cultivated. Hold this pose for a few moments, feeling the tension release from your body. Well done on completing these yoga poses designed to improve your posture and strengthen your body. Let's take a moment to recap what we've learned today. We began with Tasana, or the mountain pose. Remember, it's all about grounding ourselves, feeling the earth beneath our feet, and aligning our body in a natural, comfortable stance. This pose is the foundation of all standing poses in yoga and is a great tool to improve your posture. Next, we moved on to Virabhadrasana II, also known as the Warrior II pose. This pose is fantastic for strengthening your legs and core, and it also opens up your chest and shoulders, helping you stand taller and prouder. Remember to engage your muscles, keep your body aligned, and breathe deeply as you hold the pose. Lastly, we eased into Balasana, or the child's pose. This pose, while seeming simple, is incredibly effective for stretching your back, hips, and thighs, and it also promotes relaxation and stress relief. It's a gentle reminder to ourselves that it's okay to rest and take a moment for ourselves amidst the challenges of everyday life. Incorporating these poses into your regular yoga routine will not only help improve your posture, but also strengthen your body and promote overall well-being. Remember, yoga is a journey, not a destination. It's about connecting with your body, understanding its needs, and nurturing it through mindful movement and breath. These poses are your tools, your allies, in this journey towards better posture and a healthier you. Use them frequently, practice them mindfully, and you'll soon see and feel the difference in your body. Remember, good posture is not just about looking good, it's about feeling good. Keep practicing and you'll see the benefits in no time. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, namaste.